Before I knew about Deya, I was already a huge fan of Ali Abdal. I love his storytelling style, the way he edits, and how engaging his videos are. Then one day, Deya showed up on my YouTube feed, and instantly I thought, this is how I love my videos to look. What I really like about Deya's editing style is that it's simple, easy to follow, has that fun, cutesy, girly vibe. Hi, my name is Novi and I'm a freelance startup marketer, affiliate partner, and a content creator. And in today's video, I'll show you how exactly I create content Deya style without hiring a video editor or spending hundreds of dollars. I know video editing can feel overwhelming. And let's be real, video editors can get expensive. But here's the good news. You can create Deya style videos or Ali style all by yourself, even if you're not a pro editor. Let me show you how. While most creators record their video first and edit later, we'll do the opposite. We start with slides. I use Canva because it's free and easy to use and has hundreds of templates to choose from. But if you like unlimited designs, you can go for the pro plan and it's still very affordable. This is an example of a slide that I created before. It's a Deya style slide. As you can see, this is how Deya creates her videos or slides. It's pastel color, it's very light, and it's very simple. All right, so here in Canva, you can create from scratch or pick from the designs that you like. So for example, you like to create a girly vibe. So you can choose from hundreds of templates here and then just customize it, just like this one. Yeah, so if you go for the paid plan of Canva, you'll unlock even more options. So if you're a complete beginner and doesn't have that fund yet, the free plan is already okay. Of course, you can use other design tools like Figma or anything as long as you can share slides with a screen recorder. For me, Canva makes it simple and easy and fast. Okay, so that's the first step. You create your slides in Canva. So after you create your slides and you finish that, it's time to go with the recording part. So the screen recording I'm using right now is Tella, and I've been mentioning Tella ever since, and I've been using it for more than a year already, and I've been very, very happy with it because I can create content so much faster, easier, and more beautiful with effortless editing. The screen recorder that makes that Deya style or Ali style much easier without the masking. Okay, so once you've finished your slides, it's time to go with the recording. So Tella is not free. You can try it for free for 7 days. But after that, after you decided if it's for you, you can go for the paid plan. All right, so this is Tella's pricing. So if you want to use Tella for the screen recording so you can achieve that Deya style, you can go for the pro plan for $20 monthly. Or if you want to go for yearly, which the best option because you can save more, you go for the yearly plan. It's only $13 per month if you go for the yearly plan, and that's $13 per month if you use my link. So here's my link, or check it out in the description section and you'll get that 30% off. So that will be only $13 per month for the pro plan, and for the premium plan, that's $34 per month. Okay, so you get that 30% discount. And how much does an editor cost? An editor costs $150 per video, $150 per long form video if you want to get the expert editors. So I think the minimum pay for an editor is $100 per video. So that's expensive. One video for a video editor is like paying an annual Tella plan already. So you can save much, much more. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to do it in Tella. Okay, so first is you need to do the recording. So with recording, so you open Tella app, you do the recording, you can cancel, pause, or restart your video, and then create multiple clips by creating that red button there, and then create as many clips as you want. So you don't need to redo. You can create multiple clips in one recording. So that's very easy, just like TikTok style. Once you're finished recording, just click preview and you will be redirected to Tella's dashboard. Okay, so this is Tella's dashboard. And you can see, for example, this one. So if you want to edit your video, just edit. click edit. Okay, so when you create a lot of clips, so this will be the multiple clips, it will be saved like this. And the first thing that you can see is the setup button, which you can create the title, the size of the video. And this one, the studio voice, it will enhance your audio quality and remove background noise. So just toggle that on, and then it will generate studio voice. And then of course, there's this edit faster button, so that the video will be converted to low resolution file and you can edit faster. The video will load faster. And then this one, there's a new feature here. It's called animation. So you can adjust the animation style for zooms and layouts. So you can choose from moderate, gentle, and snappy. So just choose the moderate, and that's the setup button. Okay, so after you set up the essentials for your video, you're gonna go to the editing part. So let's go for the cut tool. All right, so you go to the cut tool. You have here find mistakes, remove buffers, remove silences, and filler words. So as you can see, if you click those, remove buffers, the spaces at the beginning and at the end will be removed. And for the silences, this gaps will be removed. Okay, so that's the cut tool. And you also have here the zoom tool, where you can generate subtle and moderate intense zooms for your video. Can also generate automatic zooms. So the AI will follow your mouse clicks and it will create auto zooms. And you can also add zooms manually. All right, so this is now the exciting part, which we're gonna create the Deya-style video through the layout. So this makes the video Deya-style, okay? So as you can see, this is just the camera. Okay, so here, so when we go to Deya's, let's go to Deya. So this is Deya's videos. All right, so as you can see, this is Deya's video. So here, she created the slides first, and then there's a circle there, and there's an overlay cat here. So when we create that in Tella, so you can just choose here, this one or this one, like that. So for example, you wanna show your screen, something like that. Okay. So that's how easy it is. And then if you want to change the layout here, you can just add layout and then go back to the camera. So in just 1 to 2 clicks, you can achieve this Deya-style video. All right, so let's look for another one. So mostly Deya uses the round shape, this one, that round shape. So here in Tella, you can choose from square, from rectangle, like that. This one, this is Ali style, Ali Abdal style, okay? So if you can just add layout here and then change the layout. So it's very easy as long as you created your slides first and then edit second with Tella. It's very, very easy, I promise. All right, so this is another example of a video that I made using Ali Abdal style. So sometimes it depends on my mood, what type of layout I'm gonna create. So sometimes it's just simple as this, or sometimes it's the round one, for example. Yeah, just like that. So it's very easy. You just choose and then add layout, and that's it. Once you're happy, you can just download the file in 4K resolution and then start export and then publish it on YouTube. And now you've already created your own Deya-style video without spending too much on expensive video editors or apps. So that's my simple workflow: slides in Canva, recording in Tella, and publishing straight to YouTube. If you want to put more overlays into your video, Tella cannot do that yet, but you can use CapCut for free to add overlays. Okay, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So check out Tella today and use my link so you can get 30% off, and don't think of hiring expensive video editors. You can do it. See you in the next video. Bye.